Want Copilot Pro for free in Visual Studio Code? It's easier than you think. Here's how to unlock it in minutes. Look at the top bar of Visual Studio Code. You'll find it right in the center. Tap that icon to open the Copilot Welcome window. Look for Sign in to use Copilot for free. It's in blue. You'll be taken to the GitHub login page. No credit card or payment required. Welcome to Copilot Pro, completely free. Ready to supercharge your coding? Let's go.
Now that we know how to get Copilot for free on Visual Studio Code, it's time to build something with this AI. To do that, we have created login page here in our Visual Studio Code. So now we are going to press on this Ctrl+I. When you click on it, that will give you the opportunity to prompt something, to ask the AI to do something for you. Over here, we are going to ask him to create a beautiful login page. Let's say, can you create me a nice login page with blue with black background, and when you put enter, you see the Copilot will create everything for you, from the HTML code to the CSS. Okay, you see here inside our HTML code we have the CSS code. So let's say we go through all those code and we say, okay, that's fine, we can accept it. When we accept it, he brings everything to our login HTML file, so we can save it. When we save it, let's say what will happen, you see we got a beautiful looking login page here with just one click. So with this AI you can build a lot with just give him the prompt and he will build it for you. Okay, now if you want to separate the CSS code here, we just give him the prompt, hey, can you remove all the CSS code from here and create a new separate file? That's it.